Hello and welcome back to Csylnaturalsdiy DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this natural body wash with African black soap. African black soap is very good on the skin. It helps smoothen the skin and helps glow the skin. It is made with cocoa pod, plantain, bark, shea butter, and other natural oils and other ingredients. So to start with today's natural body wash, I'm going to cut my black soap into cubes. After cutting it into cubes, I'm going to add it to my bowl as I'm doing at those points. After adding it, I use other natural soap for those tutorial. And the first I'm going to add after the black soap is Csylnaturalsdiy. Csylnaturalsdiy is also good for the skin. And after my Csylnaturalsdiy, I use ozone soap, the pink ozone soap. And I also use Kampala soap for those tutorial. So guys, this natural body wash glows your skin and is good for both sensitive skin and all skin types. And so after adding my natural soaps together, the next I'm adding is my herbs, my natural powders. For my natural powders, I use sandalwood powder on this. After adding my sandalwood, I added moringa powder, which is good on the skin as well. Then the next I added is my neem powder. I added neem powder and also cinnamon powder, 5 grams each. And the next I added lemon zest powder, orange zest powder. So all the powders I added here are 5 grams each. So after adding my powders and my natural soap together, the next thing I did was to boil my water. Make sure your water is very boiled and so that it will kill any form of bacteria in the water. So after boiling my water, and I added it to my soap mixture. Don't forget to add your turmeric, which I just added at this moment. So adding my hot water to my soap mixture. And after adding my hot water, I allowed it to sit for about 20 to 30 minutes so that to allow my soap to dissolve and also the natural powders to infuse in my hot water. And I kept it for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes and my soap dissolved, and at this point I mixed it together. So after adding everything together, I'm going to turn it and allow it to sit for 20 to 30 minutes so that the soap will infuse, will dissolve, and also the powders, the natural powders we added to infuse in the water. So at this point, after adding everything together, the next I added was my vitamin B3, which is also good on the skin. It smoothens the skin as well. So adding my vitamin B3, I just added 2 grams of vitamin B3 to this mixture. Remember, this is added at the cool down phase. And the next I added was my sandalwood oil, my vitamin E oil as an antioxidant. And the next oil I added is my rosemary oil. So at this point, I'm adding my oils into the mixture. So after adding my oils, then I mix my xanthan gum and my glycerin together. After mixing it, then I added it into the mixture as well. Xanthan gum is a thickener. It combines the water and the oil and also thickens the natural body wash. So after adding my xanthan gum, I'm going to mix it together as I'm doing at those points. So guys, at this point I noticed some particles in it, so with my strainer and I added cheesecloth over it. Then I strain the mixture to avoid any particles in it. So here is what I got from it with the help of my cheesecloth. So guys, at this point I added my preservative, and here is the final result. In a clean jar, I poured in my natural body wash in it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos and like them. See you in my next video. Bye.